y'all, welcome back to another nail tutorial. I'm about to show you guys how I did these mod nails with the smile line. I absolutely love this set. So I already applied the tips to my nails, and I've also did a double tip. Girl, you know I got a video showing you how I did the double tip, so don't even ask. But anyway, I'm applying my nail dehydrator, and then I'm also doing the activator, and I'm going to use 2 coats of the activator. And the acrylic that I'm going to use for the smile is going to be Sugar Cookie by Sugar and Cream. And then I'm using, oh girl, let me look. Okay, it's called Cupcake by Sugar and Cream as well. That's what I'm going to fill the rest of the nail with. And let me just be honest, y'all, I really don't do smile lines because for me, it's kind of difficult, especially using my non-dominant hand. So I'm just keep all the trials and tribulations in this video so y'all can kind of see when I do my nails, it can get real messy and it's not always pretty and neat, but they did turn out pretty cute. So and another thing that I always say is don't be afraid to use as many beads as you like. However, you do want to be conscious about the thickness. So you don't want to make your nails overly thick, although you can drill them. But since I don't like to really use my e-file, try not to make your beads as big. But I do go back and fill in any little spots that I missed or any stuff like that. So just be mindful of that. So here, which is out of frame, I'm just kind of smoothing it out and making sure that I have the thickness that I'm desiring, because I'm not going to top coat these with clear because I'm not planning on keeping this set that long. Alright, so now that I have all of my smile lines laid with that acrylic, I'm going to go ahead and shape them with my my hand file. Y'all already know this is the Beauty Secrets from Sally Beauty. This is my girl. I love her. I like to just go around the smile line, sharpen it up, and just prepare for the tip portion that I'm going to be applying that. Girl, I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of this freaking acrylic. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start filling the tip of the nail using the Cupcake Acrylic by Sugar and Cream. It is like this pretty pink color. I went ahead and filled the remainder of the nail, which is out of frame. Sorry about that, y'all. I was on the phone running my mouth. Oh, Lord. But I went ahead and filled it with that, making sure that I had the thickness that I desired with the tip of the nail. And then with this, don't be afraid to cover up your smile line, because you're going to drill that away or file that away anyway to expose that beautiful crease that you made with your hand file. Alright, y'all, so this is what we have after we've laid down all of the acrylic, no filing or anything like that. I like to generally get it smooth, and don't mind my little nail towel, y'all. That's what I've been using. But the nail that I just pointed at, that one kind of got crazy on me, and I made it a little too thick. So that's what I was talking about when I say watch the thickness. But when I'm doing my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand, sometimes I don't have the best control, but it don't matter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake. So the nails have been filed and reshaped, and this is what we have. I also got rid of that chunky nail, and the smile lines look pretty good to me. They're all even and they're all the same length and height. I think they came out really good, and I love the shape of the nails. So I'm going to go ahead and do my top coat, and then I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. I'm not doing nothing fancy with these. I wanted to keep them real clean, just go for that classic mod look, and I think they turned out really, really good. Now that we have cured for 60 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and add my cuticle oil. Y'all know this is the Avaplex by OPI, my favorite. It is very important to add cuticle oil when you're finished with your full set because the cuticles have went through a lot of stress, especially if you're not good with your e-file. You may have nicked your cuticles, so just make sure you re-add that nourishment. And girl, this is our set. I call it my because the mixture of the colors, the nude with the pale pink, it's just given. It's giving what it's supposed to give, girl. Love these nails, and thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.